I purchased this NPAUTO window regulator for my E90 BMW. Let's see how this compares. Made out of steel, all pop rivets. The build quality looks good. They pre-lubricated this for the cable and everything. But let's see how this actually compares with the original. Now here's something you won't hear from me very often. The new one is better than the original BMW, in my opinion. It's better made. For example, do you see this rivet here? It's a full rivet. This is BMW's rivet. Same thing. See this big full rivet? This is BMW's rivet. Same thing here. These are similar. Let's look at the other side. I measured everything, and the thickness of this material is the exact same thickness as the original material. Same thing with this. As far as the build quality goes and everything, it's just as good as OEM in my opinion, or possibly even better. This one I had replaced at BMW just a couple of years ago. Cut the wire tie. Line up your thing here before you put down your motor because you need to get the glass in there. Then go ahead and tighten her down. Don't over tighten it. Now we'll try to feed it in the same way we took it out. There we go. 310 millimeter. Line right up. Nice and tight. Now we'll bring down the glass. And that's what it looks like when that thing pops in. Connect your motor. You'll hear it click. Let's see if it works. And just put it back together the same way you took it apart. Connect your door handle cable and your window wiring. Don't forget that door lock. And just pop the panel in place. Put in your torque 20s. Put on your handle. Clean up your mess. Put on your trim piece. Well, let's see if it works. Beautiful. I liked it so much, I bought another one.